Oh shit. Look at that. The CB700's back on the road. She's looking pretty sharp. First ride after getting all dinged up. I'm gonna go out and play with her, with Ashley tonight. Stop and get some ice cream and a cheeseburger and let you guys know how she rides. Alright guys, we're going to let Ashley get a little ways ahead of us, so I can ride the CB700SC 1985 model a little more spirited and see how she handles. I only rode it one time really on a longer ride to make sure it was decent when I first got it before I tore it apart, so I'm not real sure how good she is. And I'm not going to rip it like I do my other bikes. I'm just going to ride it and see how she does. Try to hold 50-55 through these curves. This road is actually a pretty nice, even, curvy road. I think we've already caught Ashley almost. Because there was a pickup behind me, so I didn't want to hold him up too much. Actually, Ashley's doing pretty good. She's staying up there. Whoops. She wants to turn. Boy, Ashley's actually holding her lines pretty good too. Must be holding about 50 at least. So we had to speed up to 60 so we could catch her. Woo, yeah, she handles good. Yep. Alright, I'll shut you guys off again until we get into some more twisties. That road's just kind of a fun, smooth road to actually get some good video on. As you can see, the CB's running good, rides good. Do need to do something with the front forks. I'm not exactly sure about them because they got like an air chuck thing on the top and some sort of, it's got 4 settings on a knob on the bottom and that kind of stuff, so it'll be a learning experience with them, but they're a little bouncy, a little springy. Need to kind of take care of that. I think take care of that and she'll really handle good. But other than that, I'll shut you guys off, turn you back on a little bit. Alright, we went through the park to let Ashley get a little head start on us. So now we're going to try and catch her on the CB700 1985 model. Going after the 2021 CB500. Probably won't catch her. This thing's, well, the handle's pretty good though. But that sun is really in a bad spot. Ugh. Oof, that sun's bad. I couldn't see the corner. Handles pretty good. Like I said, I just need to get rid of that pogoing in the front forks. Boy, Ashley must be hauling ass. She's getting to know these roads, is what it is. Yep. Made it. Get a turn signal on still, please. Alright guys, well, we got road construction. We were heading home. We stopped to eat and had a guy really gawking on the Nighthawk, but we had to take a little detour on a road, which is fun, so that's okay. So the Nighthawk's doing good. We did, let's see, got about 100 miles on him. Just kind of hanging in there. So fun bike. I mean, back in 1985, it had to be like the shit. But it's still a fun bike. Even nowadays. I think we lost Ashley back there. Yep. Caught this traffic anyway. I think the CB might need a U-joint or something though in the drive shaft, because she's got a little bit of vibration on deceleration and then kind of a little bit of a clunk when you get back on it. So I might have to look into that before I put too many miles on her. Don't need it to blow apart. Are you hooked back up, Ash? Are you back? Okay. You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Yep. Yeah, it'll take us back out, so like where we usually turn left in Locust to come this way, it's going to take us to the road that if you'd go straight. You see what I'm saying? You can tell these people aren't used to this road though. Yep. Yep. This thing's actually got a pretty good headlight on it. It's a little more yellow than like yours. Yours is more white, but it's still bright though. Oh, oh, potholes. Can't see them very good. Huh? I was gonna say, no you didn't. Here we are. Oh yeah, they are there, aren't they? So actually it was a lot more fun riding than it was just putting around behind them. Yep. Even though we got here at the same time, I think it was a lot more fun what we did. Well, they weren't even doing 20. Nope. 'Nope. 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 ' No, I forgot to turn it on. Watch this pickup. I don't know what he's doing, but... Because we park up front, we're motorcycles. You park in this yellow right here, and I'll go to the other side. Yep. Yep. Stay in the yellow, though. Don't go over the blue.